All right, this is going to be a test video on a Yamaha Natural Sound Tuner T-60. This is a very basic generic antenna, so you will want to get a better one. But just for testing purposes, we'll use this. As you can see how it sounds, and that's just because can't really find a station. But as you can see, so this is turn that down, sorry. So just to show you that it does come in clear. The rest of them probably are not going to be much in clear, but I want to show you that the buttons do work. So again, we got power. Turn that down. And then this is your pre-calls or whatever you want to say. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then actually 7 and 8. And then you can press this button again, so then you can program it for a second time, essentially, the same button. You know, so now you're flipping over to the next ones. Oh, I'm sorry, there we go. So there's 9 through 16. So again, you're doing that and that. You know, each one of the buttons do work. Then you got tuning up and down. Let me flip this mode. So you got your function, you got your FM and your AM. I don't know if you can see that. I don't have an AM antenna hooked up, but right there it says AM, pressing it, FM. We got down. We're gonna go up. And then what is this? Memory and mode. Mode is auto or manual. So, okay, yeah, so right there you can see it says auto, and that goes away. So all the buttons do work here. Try to move this a bit better, give you a better reception. That's it. Thank you.